1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and at last I choose this. And I'm ready. Ready. It's cover up, so in St. John's you're not supposed to wear like this, and you should cover up as much as you can. Ready to go out. And today I am heading to Brigade Road right now, and all alone in my auto. Now the Brigade Road like so, and I met my brother. Heading.
I saw it coming from miles away. I better speak up if I got something to say.
Guys, we are at Church Street and now we go and have some drinks. And I am in Meteor Cafe. We'll be having some coffee.
The solution down to let all the truth be found. Didn't belong, had to move on to somewhere that I could be.
So I usually take 1 sugar plus.
Eyes and see, I love the beauty in front of me. You've been back, oh, the energy that I never felt before. Beyond the lights of
Come metro baby.
that would kill it. Be quietly now, I found myself, I found overhaul.
Now to MG Road that we're just walking. siguro nie milkshake jest. My handsome brother. 또 던다디 스노우리다. 속상하게. 다가 스쳐들다. 나중에 거주대 장만양 쇼. Today we are going places like I have never walked before, and it's quite pretty.
Still feels just like yesterday. You were smoking on my porch. You know I hate it, but I stepped outside and you said, don't go.
At last we came to the same spot. Now we are heading to Dubai Plaza, famous for bargaining and stuff. In Dubai Plaza, and I'm going to buy a tripod. I knocked each and every shopkeeper downstairs and nobody got a gorilla tripod. That's so sad. So I moved to second floor. भैया ट्राइपॉड मिलेगा आपका पास? वो गोरिल्ला वाला, थोड़ा फ्लेक्सिबल वाला नहीं, ये ट्राइपॉड ऐसा नहीं था, ये नहीं चाहिए, तो बहुत बड़ा है. And I got no other choice but to buy this one.
थोड़ा कम करो.
रीजनेबल है मैडम, ज़्यादा नहीं बोलता. पहला कस्टमर है, फर्स्ट कस्टमर.
फर्स्ट कस्टमर ऐसा नहीं बोल. 350 से थोड़ा तो कम करो.
330 देना.
20 रुपीस कम किया.
उतना ही, इसमें ज़्यादा मार्जिन नहीं. ये तो आपको 450 बताता था.
450 है.
इसलिए ज़्यादा नहीं बताया.
वो निशु चाचा. ओ स्पाइडरमैन का. हाँ? 200.
Guys, seriously, $200 for this case.
कितना ज़्यादा? 200 तो बहुत ज़्यादा है भैया. कम करो. कितना? 1000. कितना पैसा नहीं है मुझे. कम करो भैया. माइनस कितना? इसका
320 लगाया है.
इसका 320. इसका
दोनों का 500 लगाया.
दोनों का 500. और इसका
12 seconds later.
1000 रुपये दीजिएगा.
1000 रुपीस बहुत है.
A few moments later.
50 दीजिए.
950 है.
950.
900 तो देखो मेरा कैश नहीं है. सिर्फ 900. अभी जाना है ना.
Eventually.
इस रक्षाबंधन so भैया gave me 100 rupees discount.
So I could make it to $900. Amazing. Well, this is a very famous area for girls, like buying bags and all, and this is super cool. Good thing is that the shopkeeper is so friendly to talk, and you know, you will love exploring this area.
छोटा कितना है इसका?
ये वाला 450 का है.
450.
दोस्त के लिए 380. सुनिए
गिज्जू बहुत ज़्यादा है.
नहीं जो मैं दाफ हुआ.
근데 마침 하다 데일리 커스터머 말아.
오케이 가즈인데.
가즈. 니가.
어?
니가.
고마워라.
진짜라. 니가 쩌다. I asked for 200, but he's telling to give 350.
या इसीलिए.
हाँ. कितना? 350. इतना छोटा बैग.
After bargaining for a few minutes, I could make it till $280.
And 1 2 3 4 5 6 इನ್ನ 20 how much if you have coins also it's okay no problem I'll adjust others for me loss हो जाएगा please understand.
Yeah, this is Dubai Plaza and he's a very famous person here. Okay.
Yes 10 दोस्त तुम 10 दे दो. ये भी फटा वाला नोट देखो इससे देता है दोस्त लोग.
I've only thought that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Happy Rakshabandhan. Guys, this is so fun. Thank you so much.
Thanks.
Now we came to downstairs and I got to see many different brands like first copies and including Vans.
ले लो ब्रदर.
उसको पसंद आया पर पैसा तो मैं देना है ना. उसका दीदी.
आप दे दो.
1200. क्यों भैया? ये तो क्या बोलते हैं?
मैडम रेटिंग
15 नहीं 200 last. Thank you so much.
I paid him $1,200 for that shoe and I'm done. So we are moving out. Let's go.
Are we crazy? Living our lives through a lens, trapped in our white picket fence, like ornaments. So comfortable we're living in a bubble. So comfortable we cannot see the trouble.
Whatever earrings I wear, I buy from this shop.
Are you lonely? Up there in utopia, where nothing will ever be enough, happen enough.
Next, we are heading to Garuda and
Keep it on repeat, stumbling around like a wasted zombie. Yeah, we think we're
So if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button every new videos at Saturday 8 p.m.